A lot of people have been asking, or I've been noticing there's a little bit of pickup around and I should probably talk about this next week, but I'll address it briefly now. The speed of the speed and actually specifically the quietness. Quietness, is that a word? How quiet the PS3 is relative to the Xbox 360. One of the key indicators is, or one of the key reasons is the fact that we're spinning our disc at 12x. If you listen to it, if when it's off and it's just sitting there, it's fairly quiet. And I think the Blu-ray disc is spinning at 2x. So we could spin down to 2x for it if you want. Happy to do that, but that means, stuff's going to load slower. So think about that. So that's my tip of the week.